Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is another wonderful day that we get to work on this Porsche that went from nay to yay, back to nay. So we're going from highs to lows like with this car. I don't know what.
Maybe it's before the damage because it was damaged right there. So maybe they.
So there was a lot of body filler in here. So maybe it was from before. I don't know. But we're gonna have to go ahead and find a used quarter panel, which we did. We couldn't get the whole thing, so we got half of it, but we paid half the price, right?
Right.
So. But this episode, we're gonna replace this quarter panel, make sure our taillight's in there perfectly, the bumper, all the gaps are good, and then we'll start getting ready for some other work. But I'm pretty excited. We got a long day ahead of ourselves getting this quarter panel installed because I gotta drill this out, I gotta drill this one out, test fit, and get it all knocked out. But I'm excited that I already went and got the paint last time. I'm still, maybe we'll let you know today. I mean,
yeah.
It was between yellow and another color. I went to the paint store, and I was like, give me yellows. And she's like, what about this color? And I'm like, I love that color. So this color is definitely a popper. And then if I go with this color, we don't have to paint the wheels.
That's nice, yeah.
So I feel like we save time and money and energy because we're running out of those on this build. But let's go ahead and start working on this quarter panel, knock it out, get it drilled out and installed. All right, so there we have it. We got the little piece cut up. It's looking pretty good. We're gonna have a little filler piece on the back of this once we prep it, but the gaps are looking really good. Now all this is looking clean. Down here is matching up really nicely. The bumper, we're gonna have to get a new one, but everything else is looking really good. Even the gaps here, when we close it, it's looking really good. So definitely happy with it. Let's go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna put that little panel on the back, and then we'll start welding. Just like that. All right, just like that, we got the quarter panel welded in. It's looking really good. Let's go ahead and I already grinded it down. Start putting a little bit of body filler on this. We're gonna put the fiberglass resin on it first because we don't want a lot of Bondo or body filler on it. So let's get straight to it.
So the bodywork is looking so much better, but I'm gonna let Ivan worry about that. No big deal, he's got it. He's out for a little bit, but he'll be back soon. So meanwhile, I'm gonna work on these seat belts. And they're locked up, and I'm gonna get that module out so we can get that sent out to Safety Restore to get it reprogrammed and rebuilt. So I'm pretty sure I gotta take all this apart back here, all these plastic moldings to get to that seat belt. Rubber seal, hopefully it's not too bad. Never taken seatbelts off a Porsche before, but we'll figure it out. You know, it's part of the challenge, part of the experience, learning curve. I'm sure it's like any other car, so it can't be too bad. Surprisingly, this one's not locked up. So I'm gonna scan it probably first and make sure if I even need to, but we'll see. I don't know, we'll figure it out. see what's going on. So let's go ahead and scan this real quick. 2014 Porsche Cayman, yep, that's us. Pretty crazy, it just plugs right into that fuse box right there. Pretty cool. So let's see what's going on. Bunch of fault codes, which makes sense. I mean, it hasn't been cleared ever, so we'll clear everything and see what stays and figure out one problem at a time. So it looks like for airbags, we have all of them. Everything's messed up. Lots of issues. Like I said, we'll go ahead and clear it because a lot of stuff was unplugged. I mean, definitely went through a lot, so let's see what it says at the end. And there we go, we're down to 7, which isn't too bad, I guess. So head airbag on passenger side, that's that door. Head airbag on driver's side, I just unplugged that to get to that mirror, makes sense. Crash sensor, lock here, passenger side. We actually unplugged that as well. Crash sensor, that's fine, that side. Side airbag on passenger side. Belt tensioner, front passenger side, belt tensioner, front driver's side. So I do have a code for both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and get them both out and send them out. So anybody will tell you the first thing you want to do before you mess with the seat belts or airbags, SRS modules, is unplug the battery. We took the battery out. Oh yeah, very cautious. I'm just kidding, we're charging it, still been charged. But yep, that is gonna be the first step, and next start tearing down and figuring out how to get that out and the SRS module. Watch the video on YouTube. That's where you learn to do a lot of things. It should be in there somewhere in the middle. Hopefully it's not too hard to get to. Hopefully. So it looks like this whole back panel actually needs to come out because that seatbelt is tucked in there. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to get to it. So I'll get this off, but I gotta take that off, I gotta take that off. Might as well, no big deal, but rather not, because the more you take apart, the more you gotta put it back together. You gotta remember where it all goes, but it is what it is, no big deal. We'll get it done. Get this taken apart and get it done right. There we go, pretty simple guys. I was actually able to get it out without taking it all apart, which is ideal. So it actually has a dual, I guess, plugs. One side probably locked up, one side didn't, all built in. But there's the driver's seatbelt. Let's move on and get the passenger one. And very simply, there's the passenger seatbelt. Hey, not bad, Porsche, pretty good. 2 bolts, 2 plugs, came right out. Hopefully that module is also simple. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna start digging in there. It's pretty tight. I mean, Porsche itself is pretty small of a car, so everything's kind of tight, but like I said, those belts weren't bad. Let's keep going. So don't know exactly how this comes apart, but we'll use that mechanic common sense. Figure it out. All right. Don't see any bolts yet, but it's usually under little flaps. And there we go. Got ourselves some bolts. And that's basically the idea. Just keep digging, keep loosening things, wiggling it to get it apart. All right, guys, so I actually started back here thinking that the module was behind door number 1. But looking online, not a lot of information. I was like, man, there's not much space back there anyway. So I just kept digging, taking things apart. And then I actually spotted it down there. But first there was this computer. I don't know what this is, but it looks aftermarket. Maybe for like the speakers or something. I don't know. But yeah, it looks like a sound system, something. So down inside of there, look at this massive plug. Like, there's no space in here, and look at the size of this guy. Huge. But squeezed in between there is their SRS module. So this is what controls the airbags, actually ABS, other stuff. A lot of stuff goes through here. But yeah, it was pretty cool. So I was able to access these side bolts from the side over here. So I didn't actually have to unbolt it from the top, but I just had to wiggle it out under all these wires and mess. It's definitely tight. There's not a lot of space in there, but got it out. So that's great. Surprisingly, that wasn't bad at all. Got both the seatbelts out and the module. We're gonna go ahead and send them out to Safety Restore. Huge shout out to them guys. They've been around for many, many years. Been using them. Great guys, great team. Quick turnaround. They have a wonderful user-friendly website. It's pretty simple. Just type in the vehicle, what you have, what kind of belts. Figure it out. You send off your belts to them. They'll rebuild them. Also your SRS module, get that going as well. Get it reprogrammed and get that nasty airbag light taken off. Awesome guys. Highly recommend it. We'll leave a link down below. Make sure you check it out. yeah, we'll get that sent out. In a couple days, we'll get it back. So I'm super excited. They also have some cool custom webbing designs, so we'll see if we can figure something out there too. That'd be kind of cool, make it one of a kind and unique. Since we're going out of this Porsche, we might as well do some more customization to it, so that'd be really cool. But unfortunately, that's all the time for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you stay tuned. We are gonna get some body work on. I was gonna come back from vacation real quick, and we'll get it knocked out. We'll get this thing back together and on the road. Thanks for watching. Leave some comments down below. We'll see you next time.